Hello, my name is Muhammad Khairul Azhar, and I'm going to be presenting on the phase 4. So it's for my alternative assessment. Right, this is the high fidelity mockup prototype for MAE recurring billing. So my metric number is A20EC0094. My name is Muhammad Khairul Azhar bin Abdul Kahar, and I'm from section 10 by Dr. Ilya Wong, and my group is group 2. Okay. Right, this is our group project. So it's basically about MEE recurring billing. So what is recurring billing? It's actually about being able to pay something automatically every month. So yeah, we will take a deeper look in that. So in this slide, I will show about my project overview and the data flow diagram. So it's for overall and also for individual data flow diagram, and then my self reflection and also the mockup for the demo of the prototype. Right. Okay, so this is the project overview. So this all started basically when we got a video from the MAE stakeholder saying that he asked us to make something that we can encourage customers with the age of more than 45 years old to use MAE application. So at first we were like, how? Alright, so we didn't know how to do it because we're not 45 years old plus. So we asked the question, why? So why do we need to do this? And then we came up with an idea to use a persona. So let's say the persona is Mr. Khairul, and Mr. Khairul is an AIA General Berhad subscriber, and he struggles to pay his bills, but not because he don't have any funds, but he can catch up with the new technology that is vastly growing as time passed by. So he didn't know how to pay the bills without going to the nearest AIA kiosk. So this here basically states that the oldies they did not know how to pay their the fees online lah. So we as a student and to complete this task, we decided to make a recurring bill so that users such as the persona Mr. Khairul here, he can pay the bills at the right time, so he wouldn't miss any payment deadline. So yeah, all right. So our goal for this project is it to be easy, convenient, and also effective. So with these three combined, we can make sure that Mr. Khairul over there can have a better experience in paying his debts, maybe from the AIA General Berhad company. Right. So basically, I'll show you for the payment part. Okay. So step one is to log in. Okay. This is an overview. So the step one is to log in. Step 2 is to select the biller. So who do we want to pay to? Like let's say for Mr. Khairul's situation, it's AIA General Berhad lah, right? And then for step 3, we can insert the amount, and also we can set the date for the recurring billing. And then step 4, we can the user can approve the recurring billing when ready lah. So let's say if they just want to test the system, they can just reject, so that's no problem. But if they want to approve, and then they can approve, so and a screen will show up lah, so saying that the date is registered for recurring billing. Right. So right now I'm going to show the system overview. Okay, so this is for the main page when the user is not logged in. So let's say the user wants to pay the bills, so he will click on this button. So he will the app will redirect to this interface where the user must input the password, right? And then the user can go to the pay bill interface. So let's say the user want to set the recurring billing for the payment for every month lah, right? So he can just click this button, and then you can proceed to the next page. Right, the next page is where the user can choose whether they want to add the bill or manage the bills. Alright, so the lower part is maybe the bills that has been set for recurring billing for the user. So right now we can see that he paid for Maxis and also Pro 2. Right, so let's say right now he want to add another recurring billing, so he can just click this button, and then it will redirect to this page, so he can set a new recurring bill. Alright, so we find can we find AIA General Berhad right here? Yes, we do. This one. Alright, for this page, it's for inserting the details. Okay, so the user can insert their policy number and also the policy holder's name. So it's will show up like this, and then you can proceed to insert the desired amount. Okay, and then after the amount is inserted, they can choose the effective date. So right now we chose to pick 25 January. So if we like choose the date will appear like this. So it will show like this is chosen, this date is chosen. So right, so and then after the user is done choosing the date, you can choose the desired account. So going with the theme of MAE right here, so we'll choose the MAE account lah. Alright, so after confirming the date, the user will approve from secure to you authorization method lah. So this method is already used by Maybank. Alright, I'm pretty familiar with it because I'm one of the users. So after approving the authorization prompt, the UI for successfully registered will appear. So a tick like this will show up, and it says that date is successfully registered. So this means that the date for the recurring billing is successfully registered. Alright, so this is for the data flow diagram. Okay, so basically this is our group's data flow diagram. We have one module of payment, another is verify, the third is history, and also the fourth one is to manage the customer. So the first one is for the customer, the second one is for the company, the third one is also for the customer, and the fourth one is by the admin. Alright, all this stuff. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna explain on this part 1.0, which is my part. Alright, for the data flow diagram, so starting with the user logging into the app. So when we have the user customer ID and also password, we can proceed to choose the biller. Alright, after choosing the biller, so we of course we have the biller ID after choosing the biller, and then we can ask the user to insert the customer details based on the biller. So some biller may need customer name and customer phone number, but other may need customer ID and also customer name. So it varies based on the company itself lah. Alright, so 1.3, set payment amount and preferred date. Alright, so this one is how many you want to pay and when do you want to pay. Alright, so in 1.4, the customer choose account for deduction. So this one the user can choose just like just now I showed you, right, based on the two accounts. So it's MAE or Maybank to you account. Alright, after that you can proceed to approve the details lah. So if the customer doesn't approve, so this one will not be sent. But if it is approved, so the biller ID, biller type, and all the stuffs will be sent to other modules. Alright, so right, for self-reflection, okay, this project really showed me how to work hard and work smart at the same time, because it will ensure exponential growth of efficiency in progress of the assignments. Alright, so but at the same time, while doing the works, I also bond with my friends. So because this makes the project very efficient, because I can contact with them, like just like friends, and not like awkward, awkward in an awkward way. So yeah, this really helps me in completing the project on time. Right. So the third one is creative and critical thinking. So this really helped me. Um, this project really helped me in having a creative and critical thinking, because this spark of creativity surely does come in handy when dealing with GUI, because like just now, some of the GUI is not created by MAE, but it's created by me. So it really needs some creativity, and really it needed me to struggle a bit. I mean, need to push myself to think of new designs that is suitable for the MAE application, right? Okay, that's all for the self-reflection. For this, what I learned from this project is based on the SAD course. So I learned how to do the team management. So basically, in our team, we need to have honesty, and also trust within the group mates, so that the project can be done with no stress, or something like lack of trust, or something to hide from others. So this motto really helps us to really push our boundaries, and to share every bit of information that we can give to each other, um, so that we can proceed to complete the task in time. Alright, so and then obviously the second one is very important, the data flow diagram. So this one really helps me, because it shows how the flow of the application goes. So without the data flow diagram, I will not able to um, create the application itself, because I don't know how the data is flowing. There are actually numerous things that I've learned from this course, but then I cannot include, because I think it will take a lot of time. So I'll just proceed to the demo. Alright, so this is the demonstration for the application, for the system that I've added. Alright, hello, this is for the demo. Right, I'm gonna show you how the application works for after I've made a little tweaks for it to be able to run the recurring bill. Okay, so after loading, the user the user will see this. So we can select this and find for pay bills. So this one is right here, and then the user must register. So after registering, we enter the password, and then we can continue. Okay, we need to load, and then we can choose the recurring billing. So recurring bill, and then right here we target to set a new bill. So right now we will set a new bill, and then we'll go to AIA General Berhad, because just like the scenario before, Mr. Khairul needs to set the recurring bill for AIA General Berhad. Okay, so he can insert his policy number, and also the placeholder's name, policy holder's name, and then we can set the amount, alright, of 800, and then we can proceed. And then we can proceed to choose the date. So he told me that he want to pay on 25th January. So alright, so we can proceed with that. Okay, next. Okay, we can choose either we want to we want to pay from personal saver account or the MAE account. So since we want to use the MAE part of the Maybank, so we will choose this one. Okay, we can confirm the date. Okay, so right now we're going to authorize the secure to you authorization. So we're going to approve it, and then UI will show that the date is successfully registered. Alright, that's all for the demo. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.